Caught one on Conan. Alright, now you gotta get us all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Stop it! Oh, stop it. Yes. Gotta stop it if you want it. There we go. 2 spins, 2. Come on. Get that 250 to the wheel. Get it. Come on. Yes. 2 spins. Get it. Yes. Get it. Go. Oh,
Oh,
no.
no.
Come on. Come on. Oh.
Yes.
Well, it's times 4. Not bad.
Alright.
Times 5. Damn it. Only if we could have got to the wheel. Not bad. Let's see what the haul is. Go, Conan. Add it up.
Do you let it add up like that?
Why not? It doesn't matter. Hit the button. Hit the button. There you go. 37.50. Not bad. Not bad. Oh no, I'm sorry. 75. We're on 2 cents. Whoopsie. Alright, I think we doubled.
It's
A little
here
over
for me?
doubled. Nice. You do some
Yeah.
backups?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, 88.
I go there.
888. Get it again.
No, I don't want to see the dollar. I
Why
like to see the
not?
credit.
Oh my goodness.
Because I do it in my head.
Okay. Well, let's do some backups.
You play in?
Yeah, do some backups. See if it's got another one.
It's you.
What you want?
It's you.
2? Oh, there's another hammer. And that's a 3. That could have been good. Alright.